Sir,
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah, very good morning to all my dear students. Please be online. Anjan, तुमने दो
Sir,
तो yes, Anjan.
આજે પ્રેઝન્ટેશન આપવાનું છે.
हाँ, तो तुमने start करो बेटा. You
ઓકે
start
સર.
your presentation.
ઓકે સર.
Good morning, everyone. I present about strategic management project topic SWOT analysis of company of Sony and Hyundai, prepared by Aditya Dhandukia, Abhi Lalakia, Abhay Pfeffer, Anjan Bova, and Anup Gupta. So first about basic information about Sony company. Company Sony CEO Konchiro Yosandi, founder Akayo Morate and Masru Lubaku. Year found 7th of May 1946. Headquarter Minato City, Tokyo, Japan. Annual annual revenue fi, revenue financial of 2090 US dollar 79 billion. Profit net income financial year 2090 US dollar 7 billion. Product and service televisions, smartphones, personal computers, cameras, home appliances, electronic companies, components, movies, music, gaming, and financial services. Fact about Sony: Sony is a major global player in three sectors: consumer electronics, gaming, and entertainment. While most companies struggle maintain their positions in only one sector, Sony has held on to its market share in all three sectors decades. This can only attained by company with expensive experience and inventory strategies. To understand the company's strength, weakness, opportunity, trace, you have understand a Sony SWOT analysis. And then my friend Abhi's strength about Sony.
Good morning, sir. I am explain the strength first. Explain global player. The global market is not only high competitive and the complex, but also requirement and the experience to success. Sony, the US and Europe, the 1960 and 1970 and was a major global player long before most of company were founded. Quality product offering high quality product competitive and the easily sold then done without the interest of and customer at hard. Sony hub, hub investment and R&D and has enabled the company to prof- provide high quality product. Third, variable brands. Since its founding, Sony has a objective funding on the fully fulfilling in needs of customer, which has the company to a highest variable brand in 2019. Sony was ranked by 39 top re- re- registered company in 16 in world most variable brand. High highly inventory. Sony is one of the most inventory company having a inventory of consumers of the development and register customer product from tra- trending to color TV and compete of the company LED TV. Sony as a imaging of the consumer electronic market.
Then my friend Abhay about weakness of Sony.
Good morning, sir. I will explain about weakness. Sony over dependence on electronics. Sony depends heavily on electronics, particularly TVs, cameras, and smartphone image sensor. In the fourth quarter of 2019-20 financial year, Sony's operating profit dropped by 57% due to a drastic decline in demand for electronics. Negative publicity. When a company is hacked, it exposes the trade secret to competi- competitors and create the perception of incompetence on consumer. In 2014, Sony was hacked, leading to exposure of sensitive trade secret, which strained relation with other companies. Expensive product. Regardless of the product price matters, Sony offers premium product with higher price tags beyond most consumer. This is a major weakness since the price discourages a large number of potential customers. Poor marketing. Compared to competitors like Apple and Xbox, Sony's marketing efforts and promotional activity are weak and substantially lower. Consumer products require extensive marketing and promotion to sell, regardless of quality and reputation.
And then opportunity say Anjan.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Sony's opportunity focus on emerging economies. The International Money Fund projects that economic growth will be faster in emerging markets at 4.9% than in developed markets at 2.1% in the coming years. Sony expands its operations in emerging economic and exports, increasing purchasing power in then markets. Strength medical imaging. Medical display market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 4.4% from 2018 to 2025. Sony operates in this field and only has to strengthen to imaging division and tap into the projected growth divisory offerings. Even though the Sony's PlayStation is a major player in gaming, this division lack division diversification. For one, the demand for mobile games in increasing. Sony has the opportunity to diversify its gaming division to offer more mobile-based games. For expand through acquisition instead of over depending on the consumer electronics market. Sony can leverage its vast financial resources to acquire innovative starts in lucrative section sectors like software development. Next, Anup.
Threats about say Anup.
Hello, good morning, sir. Threats. First is tough competition from LG in TV to Samsung in mobile and 19 in gaming. Sony is facing stiff competition in all area of focus in India. The company's sales have been reducing three area in a row as competitors reduce market share. Sony can lose profitability in the future as new and old competition up their game. Second, global pandemic. Companies across the world are struggling with low demand and uncertainty due to pandemic. Sony operating profit for the first quarter of 2020 dropped by more than 30% to its lowest in 4 years. If the situation persists or worsen, the damage to the company financial well-being can be irreversible. Third, rise posed by hackers. Any company across the world are struggling with low demand and uncertainty due to the pandemic. Sony operating profit for the first quarter of 2020 dropped by more than 30% to its lowest in 4 years. If the situation persists or worsen, the damage to the company financial well-being can be irreversible. Company that operate in the film, electronic and gaming sector is susceptible to the threat posed by hacker, which can cost millions of losses and lawsuits. Sony Picture has experience on the far-reaching consequence of a breach. Fourth, increasing counterfeit trade in fake products stand at 3.3% of global trade and continue to increase. Premium products like Sony TV, phone and gaming console are a prime target for counterfeit.
Second company, Hyundai Company. Hyundai Company basic information. Hyundai Motors Company is a automotive manufacturing for Seoul, South Korea. The company was established in 1967 by founder Chung Jin-young as a construction company. Over the year, the company went to major restriction and now a part of many companies bring Hyundai name Hyundai Motors Group design manufacturing and sells light vehicle, commercial vehicle and buses. In the world's fifth largest automaker, which sold 4.963 million units sold through 6,000 dealerships in 186 countries in 2050. The company controls 32.88% of Kia Motors and along the other subdealers from Hyundai Motors Group company. According to Integrate, the Hyundai brands is the world's 35th worth and to 12.5 billion US dollar. The company's car are the considered one of the safest industry and has been granted multi safety awards. Now strength say Abhi.
I am explain the strength. Brand image. Honda is a South Korean automobile brand with global sales and the network. The company of many strength. It's a brand image that the own product quality and safety for the product performance and customer service. Overall, Hyundai was a manage, managing on a strong brand image, a learning of global automobile brand, global presence. Hyundai is a global brand of automobile. It has expanded of its sale. This this and service network globally is a South Korean automobile brand has explained it price of presi- present of worldwide supply chain management. Supply chain management is a any important of part of overall business strength of any automobile brand. All lead of automobile business global, whether local and in the US in South Korea has to measure that supply chain strength of to easily of the supply of raw material and parts. Research and development. Hyundai is a high quantity automobile brand with a strong quantity. Either the company has a found of marketing automobile that are great in terms of pro, pro, performance and activity and the safe for rides.
Weakness say Abhay.
Weakness. First of all, heavy decline in the Chinese market. China surpassed the United States of become the largest automobile market in the world some year ago. However, Hyundai Motors Group has not been lucky enough is this market compared to most large automobile market where it sells products including the US and India. Weak marketing execution. Hyundai has mostly relied on its brand image, innovation, and product quality to gain publicity and word of mouth. Costly recalls. Hyundai has mostly relied on its brand image, innovation, and product quality to gain publicity and word of mouth. While electric mobile mobility is a promising area for automobile business, it is not without risk, especially if a brand is forced to make recalls and the cost can be very high. Now explain Anjan.
Opportunity.
Opportunity. Digital marketing and consumer engagement. Hyundai needs to realize the curiosity of marketing to winning in the login term since it is pitted against large rivals like Ford, GM, Volkswagen, and Toyota without managing its focus on marketing. It could find its influence winning in several key markets. Second, latest technologies. Hyundai needs to realize the criticality of market to winning in the long term since it is pitted against large rivals like Ford, GM, Volkswagen, and Toyota without marketing its focus on marketing. It could find in its insurance warning in several key markets. Automobile companies are investing in the latest technologies to make their products lines more attractive and improve the performance of individual projects. Third, electric mobility. Electric mobility is the future of transaction and investing in the area can be highly profitable considering this Hyundai has severely grown its range of electric and hybrids. The sales of electric cars and hybrids have grown shares around the world in 2020. In 2021, it is expected that the sales on electronic cars will grow even
अंजन
higher.
बेटा,
Yes,
अंजन,
sir.
या बेटा, आप जितने लोगों ने आज प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है अभी,
Hmm.
आप अपना नाम और एनरोलमेंट नंबर चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए, साथ में
Okay, sir.
अपना टॉपिक भी लिखिए कि भाई मैंने
Okay.
ये सुनने की अपॉर्चुनिटी बताई थी, या तो जो भी आपका टॉपिक था उस हिसाब से। तो जितने लोगों ने प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है वो अपना नाम, एनरोलमेंट नंबर और टॉपिक चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए, प्लस अपना वीडियो ऑन कीजिए रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए। सभी लोग
Okay,
जो
sir.
है, सभी लोग जो प्रेजेंटियर्स थे अपना वीडियो ऑन कीजिए एक
Okay,
साथ।
sir.
ओके, अभय ने अपना वीडियो ऑन कर दिया है। व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? ओके, अनूप, अंजन। ओके, अब और कौन बाकी है? अनूप, अंजन, अभय, अभी सभी ए वाले ही है आपके ग्रुप में?
सर मैं अपनी बाद में कर दूंगा तो इसमें नहीं बता रहा है, ऐसा आ
हाँ, कोई
रहा
बात
है।
नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा। आप अपना नाम और एनरोलमेंट नंबर लिख दीजिए चैट बॉक्स में विदाउट फेल, अभी के अभी लिख दीजिए।
અંજન મારું નાખી દેજે તું।
Threats. First, heavy competition. The, the main threats of Hyundai sales comes from the heavy competition in the global market. Hyundai has a large number of competitors in the global market, including leading global brands like GM, Ford, and Toyota, as
आप
well
4
as
लोग हैं
the
कि 5 लोग हैं?
सर मैं 5वां हूँ इसीलिए मैं
बेटा,
बाद में
अपना
कर
नाम
दूंगा।
नाम और
आदित्य
नंबर तो
आदित्य
ऐड कर दो।
अरे सर स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ ना इसीलिए इसका बाद में कर दूंगा ये प्रेजेंट।
अच्छा, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। अंजन, अपना एनरोलमेंट नंबर ऐड करो बेटा।
How, sir? करूँ.
regulatory risks. Worldwide, the automobile industry is among the most heavy regulated industries, and companies have to focus on staying compliant in order to avoid any major fine. Apart from product quality and passenger safety related regulation, labor related regulation and environmental regulation can also hurt the bottom line if a company is found to be non-compliant. Third, growing operating expense. The operating expense of automobile business including Hyundai have continued to creep up year our year is as brand continue to grow their investment in research and employment, marketing and product quality.
Thank you.
या गुड वन अंजन, फाइनली आप लोगों ने प्रेजेंट कर दिया, अच्छा किया आप लोगों ने। कंपनी भी अच्छी थी सोनी, इसके रिलेटेड एक वीडियो भी है जो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा, बट आज पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में दिखाऊंगा। यहाँ पे मैंने नाम जो लिखे निमित, स्मिथ, जय एंड मानव, इन लोगों का प्रेजेंटेशन अभी भी बाकी है। सो आर देयर गोइंग टू गिव और नॉट?
હમણાં વાત કરી લે માનવ હારે આપણે એને તો નીકળાવી
પૂછીને મને પૂછી લેવાનું, મને કે શું કરવાનું છે, નકર પછી હવે હું જવા દઉં, 0 માર્ક મૂકીને।
सर मैंने अपना लिख
एक बार
लिया है।
अभी एक और भी है आपके क्लास में, भार्गव परमार है, उसने भी वो प्रेजेंटेशन में था पर प्रेजेंट नहीं किया है। भार्गव
सर
परमार
इसको
है,
ग्रुप में लिखा ही नहीं था, भार्गव और अब्देली को लिखा ही नहीं था, पहले थे अभी नहीं है।
अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आज इंडिविजुअल रिपोर्ट जो है वो बन जाएगा, मैं आपको बताऊंगा। डन, चलो दैट्स इट फॉर द डे, थैंक यू
सर
सो
मैंने
मच।
अपना लिख लिया वो।
हाँ देख लिया बेटा, या दैट्स इट फॉर द डे, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, एंजॉय योर डे, टेक केयर।